PIKA3D PRO 3D pen is pitched as a plug-and-play pen for makers who want a reliable tool straight out of the box, and the Amazon listing backs that up with a very straightforward kit layout pen, a handful of vacuum-packed PLA refills, a quick-start stencil guide, and the adapter. On Amazon, the listing shows product information and kit contents but currently doesn't list a single featured price. Price availability varies by seller, so you'll likely see different offers depending on your region or timing. Check the listing for the live price. The pen itself offers variable feed speed, adjustable temperature, and an OLED display, which is a nice step up from no display pens. Those features let you fine-tune extrusion for thinner lines or faster fills, and the included stencils and manual make it genuinely accessible to beginners. In everyday use, PIKA3D comes off as comfortable and reliable. Reviewers and the brand blurb highlight the slim profile, easy to hold for long sessions, and educational uses. Teachers and makers often mention using it for geometry, architecture models, or simple repairs. The pros are clear: vacuum-packed filament refills, less humidity issues, OLED feedback, and adjustable controls give you a lot of flexibility. Cons: the listing notes the recommended age, 14+, so it's not a toy for little kids, and since price can fluctuate or show no featured offers, you might want to compare sellers. Some hobbyists will still prefer the Ambienti 3D Pro for higher precision temperature control, but for a mid-range, easy-to-learn pen with decent accessories, PIKA3D is a solid pick. And of course, we share buy links in description box.